Welcome to my channel. Have you ever wondered how ordinary people achieve extraordinary success? What if the difference between success and failure is just one decision to never give up? Stay with me until the end, because today we will explore inspirational real life stories that prove determination, courage, and hard work can change a life forever. Chapter 1: The Power of Never Giving Up. In a small village, there lived a young boy who had a big dream. He wanted to get a good education and build a better life for himself and his family. However, his family was very poor, and many people believed that his dream was impossible. Every day, the boy faced difficulties. Sometimes he did not have enough books. Sometimes he had to walk long distances to attend school. There were days when he felt tired and discouraged. Yet, deep inside, he refused to give up. While other children spent their free time playing, he spent hours studying. At night, he continued learning even when conditions were difficult. He knew that success would not come easily, but he also knew that every small step brought him closer to his goal. Many times, people told him that he should stop dreaming so big. They said that success was only for lucky people, but the boy chose not to listen. Instead, he focused on working harder every day. Remember this powerful truth: success is not about never failing, it is about never quitting. As the years passed, his hard work began to show results. He performed well in his studies and earned opportunities that once seemed impossible. The challenges that once looked like obstacles became stepping stones toward success. His journey teaches us an important lesson. Life will always present difficulties. There will be moments when giving up seems easier than continuing. But those who keep moving forward, even during hard times, often achieve things they once thought impossible. The boy's story is proof that determination can overcome many obstacles. His success did not happen overnight. It happened because he chose to keep going when others would have stopped. But there is another powerful lesson that can change a person's life even faster than hard work. What happens when you truly start believing in yourself? That is exactly what we will discover in the next chapter. Chapter 2: The Power of Self. Belief. There was once a young girl who had a big dream. She wanted to become successful and achieve something great in her life. However, many people around her did not believe in her abilities. Some said she was not talented enough. Others said her dream was too big. At first, the girl listened to these negative comments. Slowly, she began to doubt herself. She became afraid of trying new things because she worried about failing. Every time she thought about her dream, she also thought about the people who said she could never achieve it. One day, she realized something important. If she continued listening to negative voices, she would never discover what she was truly capable of doing. So, she made a decision. She decided to believe in herself. She started learning new skills, practicing every day, and improving little by little. At first, the progress was slow. There were mistakes, challenges, and moments of frustration. But she did not stop. Remember this powerful truth: the moment you believe in yourself, new possibilities begin to appear. As her confidence grew, she became willing to take chances. She stopped worrying about what others thought and focused on becoming better every day. With each small success, her belief in herself became stronger. Years later, she achieved goals that once seemed impossible. The same people who doubted her were surprised by what she accomplished. But her success did not begin when others believed in her. It began when she believed in herself. This story teaches us that confidence is not something we are born with. Confidence grows when we take action, learn from mistakes, and continue moving forward. Never allow other people's opinions to define your future. Your potential is much greater than you think. But believing in yourself is only part of the journey. What truly transforms dreams into reality is consistent effort and hard work. That is exactly what we will discover in the next chapter, Chapter 3. Hard Work Changes Destiny. There was once a young man who dreamed of building a successful life. He did not come from a wealthy family, and he did not have special advantages. What he did have was a strong desire to improve his future. Every morning, he woke up early and worked toward his goals. While many people looked for shortcuts, he focused on learning, practicing, and improving every day. Some days were difficult, some days he felt tired, but he continued moving forward. People often think that successful individuals achieve their goals because of luck. However, luck was not the reason for his success. His success came from thousands of small efforts repeated day after day. He read books, learned new skills, and used every opportunity to grow. When he made mistakes, he treated them as lessons instead of failures. When challenges appeared, he saw them as opportunities to become stronger. Remember this powerful truth: dreams work when you work. Months turned into years. Slowly, his knowledge increased, his skills improved, and his confidence grew. The progress was not always visible, but every day of hard work was bringing him closer to success. Finally, after years of dedication and persistence, he achieved a goal that once seemed impossible. The people who saw his success thought it happened suddenly, but they did not see the years of effort behind the achievement. His story teaches us that success is rarely an overnight event. Great accomplishments are usually built through patience, discipline, and consistent action. No matter what your dream is, remember that every small step matters. Every hour of learning matters. Every effort brings you closer to your goal. Hard work has the power to change your destiny. But there is one final lesson that makes success even more meaningful. What happens when successful people use their achievements to help others? That is exactly what we will discover in the final chapter. Chapter 4. Success has more meaning when you help others. There was once a successful man who had achieved many of his dreams. Through hard work, determination, and self belief, he built a good life for himself. He had a successful career, financial stability, and the respect of many people. But even after achieving success, he never forgot the difficult days of his past. He remembered the struggles, the failures, and the people who had helped him when he needed support. One day, he decided that his success should not benefit only himself. He wanted to make a difference in the lives of others. He began helping students who could not afford an education. He shared his knowledge, encouraged young people, and supported those who were facing challenges. As he helped more people, he discovered something surprising. Helping others brought him even greater happiness than his personal achievements. Remember this powerful truth: the greatest success is helping others succeed. The people he helped started achieving their own goals. Some became teachers, some became business owners, and others built successful careers. Their lives improved because one person chose to share his success instead of keeping it to himself. His story teaches us an important lesson. True success is not only about money, awards, or recognition. True success is about creating a positive impact on the lives of others. When we help someone learn, grow, or believe in themselves, we make the world a better place. Even small acts of kindness can create powerful changes. The four stories we have learned today share one common message: never give up when life becomes difficult. Believe in yourself even when others doubt you. Work hard toward your dreams every day. And when you achieve success, use it to help others. These simple principles have changed countless lives, and they can change yours too. If you enjoyed these inspirational real life stories, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. I will never give up. I read every comment and would love to hear your thoughts. Keep believing in yourself, keep working hard, and keep inspiring others. I will see you in the next video.